Hey everyone, I'm diving into a gripping story out of Zimbabwe today, so let's get right into it. This week has been a whirlwind for Neville Mutsvangwa, the son of prominent Zimbabwean minister Christopher Mutsvangwa. Neville's currently tangled in a web of serious allegations including money laundering and illegal foreign currency dealings. It all sounds like something straight out of a political thriller, doesn't it? So here's the scoop. Neville was arrested last Wednesday, and get this, detectives actually had to break into his residence after he refused them entry. Talk about drama. Alongside him, two others were caught up in this sweeping crackdown by the government, aimed at curbing illegal currency activities. Now the twist in the tale comes with the court's decision. Despite having significant connections due to his father's political stance, the magistrate slammed the door on bail, labeling Neville a flight risk. His father, Christopher Mutsvangwa, is reportedly devastated and believes there are political motives at play, targeting his family. And here's where it gets even more tangled. Neville's mom, Monica Mutsvangwa, who's also a minister, claims her son is innocent and suggests that his arrest was strategically timed while she was out of the country. Political victimization or a legit crackdown? The lines are blurry, folks. This whole saga has stirred up quite the controversy in Zimbabwe, igniting debates and suspicions about political manipulation and the integrity of the judicial system. It's not just a news story, it's a storyline that could influence the political landscape in Zimbabwe. So what do you think? Is this a straightforward case of justice being served? Or are there darker, more complex layers of political intrigue at play? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because this is a story we'll definitely need to keep our eyes on. And that's where I wrap it up for today. If you liked this deep dive into Zimbabwe's high-profile scandal, give that like button a smash. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Stay informed, stay engaged, and as always, keep questioning the world around you.